welcome to this RapidDeploy version 4.0 how-to guide. My name is Richard Bettison, and today we're going to be looking at downloading and installing RapidDeploy from the MidVision website for the first time. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to head over to the MidVision portal site. That's portal.midvision.com. I'm going to click on the RapidDeploy menu item there, and you can see we've got some options here. Now today I'm working on a Mac computer, so I'm going to choose the RapidDeploy 4.0 for Linux and Mac over here on the left hand side, and I'm using 64-bit, so I'm going to download this 64-bit version by just clicking on this link. Okay, and once that's installed, so we can see we've got the zip file here. Now I could just unzip that by double clicking on it in Finder. Here I'm just going to actually go ahead and unzip this file. Okay, so that's now basically installed. So RapidDeploy comes by default with an internal HSQL database, and that will work perfectly well, and you can upgrade and do everything you need to do with RapidDeploy with that database. We don't recommend you would use that in production, so you can later on configure RapidDeploy to use Oracle or DB2 or MySQL as your database of choice for your more production-like environments. And RapidDeploy also comes with an inbuilt Tomcat web server, which is perfectly adequate for running RapidDeploy. Of course, you might want to install that in a more heavyweight application server container, and you can do that in WebSphere or WebLogic or another Java container of your choice. But for now and for the basic installation, everything you need comes entirely self-contained. Okay, so if you want some more instructions on this, you can click on a quick start guide here. This will guide you through this installation. It's quite simple. There's one thing we need to do for a Mac, and that's to run this command to set the Java home up correctly. So I'm going to cd into the MidVision directory, and I'm going to go into the bin directory. See, we've got some files here. So I'm going to paste that command and just run it, and then we can really go ahead and start the web app. So just start web app. Okay, and that'll be running. That also will start an internal agent running on localhost, so any jobs that you want to run locally, and sometimes you do need to run jobs locally to orchestrate things or to pull things down or whatever you want to do, then that is already running. So then what we'll need to do is just simply check that that's running. You can see here we've got how to connect to it, so it's the host address. In this case we can just use localhost because we're running it locally, 9090 MidVision. Okay, so let's try that. We've got a 9090 MidVision here, and we're going to go ahead and log in. Now the username and password by default when RapidDeploy is first installed is mvadmin, so the password is the same as the username. I'd strongly encourage you to change this this password pretty soon after you've got RapidDeploy running. And there we are, we're immediately logged in. Okay, so that's just a very quick introduction to installing RapidDeploy. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.